1, 2. Is the mic on? Is the mic on? Is the mic on, doubles? Is it on? Is it on? Is it on? Is it on? Are we live? Are we live? Are we live, doubles? Do we have a mic check? You're not talking? You're not talking.
It's on.
Oh, it's on. Is all the socials on?
Yep.
All the socials are on. Yo, what's up? What's up? It's Coach Nick Money in the house with the one and only, the indelible one, PLYX in the house, a.k.a. the Rainmaker, baby. The Rainmaker. And it's another episode of Power Play. Doubles Power Play, where we combine reviewing stocks that ran parabolic early in the day to see if they're going to run during Power Hour. Power Hour, that's the power portion of it. And the play portion of it is while we're waiting for the stocks to heat up a little bit, because it is only 1:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and Power Hour doesn't start until 3 o'clock. We basically get some dubs for the community. We win some victory royales in Fortnite while we're waiting for them to start to position themselves. So we're looking at OLB. Let's do a share party on OLB. Currently up 193%. 193%. 193%. Let's get a share party going on. And it is moving on news that it has a global agreement with PayPal to enhance secure payment gateway platform. It is an 8 million float stock, 357 million volume. You could see it in our custom scanners that we're sharing from our Discord community with you on the left-hand side. All right, we're going to go get a dub. Meanwhile, let's get a share party. Let's get the first 100 folks, and then we'll go back and check out the stonks. Let's go. Let's get that dub, doubles. What do you think? Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get the dub. Let's start it off. PLYX. That was an interesting stock. It popped and it dropped. It's currently up 75%. 47 million volume. BDMD started running about an hour ago, maybe. 13 million float stock. 39 million volume. Not a lot of volume. Currently up 56%. LFS. 21 million volume. Up 45%. GVH, 64 million volume. Bobo Beebs, what's up? Howdy, partner. How's it going, brother? How's it going, Bobo? Good to see you, brother. Thanks for the support. Always happy to see you, brother. Always. GVH, 2 million float stock. We're looking at the custom scanner from the Discord. We could see it right over here. 2 million float, 64 million volume, $1.33, currently up 45%. ATOM, 30 million float, heavy float, only 25 million volume. So the supply is much greater than the volume. $5.67 stock, currently up 46%. We're getting ready for a dub. Let's get a dubification. Let's get a dubification, doubles. What do you think? Let's go. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's go and get that dubs. All right. All right. All right. All right. Let's get that share party going on, folks. Let's share it up. Share it up. Share it up. Let's get that victory royale for the community. And then we'll do some technical analysis, review the structure of the stocks, the float, the volume, the news, and all the critical information partaking in particular to the stock. Right, doubles? What do you think? You know, I'm starting to use cars more this season, doubles, you know? Yeah, I'm finding that it's, there's not as many jetpacks. That's what I'm noticing, you know? There's not as many jetpacks, doubles, you know? Yeah. They got these Oni masks, and I'm not really big on them. I don't like them. I don't like them. I don't like it. I don't like it, doubles. I don't like it. Bye, folks. Bye. Bye, turkey roll. Bye, turkey roll. I'm just saying, bruh. Right? That was a turkey roll right there. We got rid of that turkey roll right there, bro. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Woo, woo, wee. Let's get that shit. Doubles, did you know that they have this thing? This is called like a shield bubble, bro. Look at this thing. Yeah, look at that. Look at it. It shields you up. They stole it from Halo? Really? Is that where they got it from, bro? Well, I don't know. But the bottom line is it gave me shield, so I'm good with it. If it came from Halo, it's all good, bro. It's all good. It's all good in the hood, bro. Shotgun, come on. All right. You ask and thou shalt receive. All right, I'm kidding pretty good, bro. I'm not going to lie. Now, you know what would be awesome? If the bots were here, but they're not. It's okay. It's all right. It's all right. I got a nice loadout. I don't mind. I don't mind. I don't mind, doubles. Let's get a share party. BDMD up. 66%. Doubles, 66%. Let's get it. Let's get it. What's over here? What's over here? We don't want none of that. We don't want none of that. We don't want none. I want that, though. All right. Okay, let's do it, doubles. Man, I'm kitted up pretty good, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not gonna lie to you, doubles. I'm not gonna lie. Hold on a second over there. Hold on a minute. Hold on a minute. Hold on. Yes, sir. Let's get it, doubles. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that, doubles. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that, doubles. Look at. All right. Let's get this going on. ATOM, 46%. 30 million. Oh, look at all this goodness, bro. Look at all this goodness, bro. So much goodness, bro. So much goodness. I have to take it, bro. Right, doubles? All this goodness around. All this goodness gracious. Okay. All right. All right, all right, all right. Oh, ooh, look at that. Look at that, even better. All right, doubles. We're doing good, right, doubles? We're doing good? We're doing real good. Let's get a little bit of gold. And one of these fellas right here. Why not? Why not? Now let's get in. Let's get in there. Let's get in. Let's get in. All right, doubles. We're going in. We're going in. Doubles. We're going in. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it, doubles. Dude, did you see what happened? I accidentally pulled out the med kit instead of my AR. Oh man, that was bad. That was bad. That was not good. That was, yeah, I accidentally hit the wrong key. I hit the wrong key, bro. Hit the wrong key. Yo, we got to do that over. That don't count none. That don't count none. Let's get the second let's get the second Hyundai. Let's go for 200. We're at 94. Let's get the 200. Top Success wants to see ERNA. Let's check it out while we're loading up. ERNA. Hold on a second. Let me hold off on starting. Let's check out ERNA. Let's try that again. ERNA. Top Success. What's up, bro? Oh my. All right, it's trying to form a cup and handle over here underneath VWAP. 40 cents is a key level of support and resistance. It's a resistance area right now. It needs volume. It definitely needs volume. Here's where it's at, right over there. Right? It's got to get above the 40-cent mark. RSI is heating up, but the volume candles are starting to come in. So let's go ahead and take a look at the key levels of support and resistance with the Fibonacci retracement. Let's go ahead and give it a little Fibonacci, baby, so we know what the key levels of support and resistance are for Top Success. All right, here we go. Boom. All right, so like we said, 40 cents is going to be a key resistance area that it has to break through. If it can break through it, then we're looking at 46 cents as being another key level of resistance. Support would be down at 33 cents. We don't like that. Good to see you, Top Success. Good to see you. So that's the situation with it. Volume's coming in for it. Let's see if there's any news. Take a look at, can you take a look at our news feed from the Discord, ERNA? See if there's any news on ERNA. Let's take a look and see. Looky here. Any news on it? Let's see. There was news on the 11th. They dropped a Form 8K. Click into it. Let's see what that is. Now, for people that don't know what an 8K is, that's a material change. Let's scroll down on the document and see what it says. Hold on. Warrants, common stock. On February 6th, the company entered into a placement agency agreement with Brookline Capital Markets, a division of Arcadia Securities, pursuant placement manager in public offering. They did a public offering of $19 million last week. So that's the news from last week. So nothing from this week. It needs volume. Let's take a look and see what the float and the volume for the day it looks like. Let's go down and check it out. Let's check it out. The float is, let's see, the float is pretty decent, 6 million, not horrible. And the current volume today is, let's see, 26 million. So it's got the volume earlier on in the day. You can see it over here, but it's sold off. So it needs volume right now. Volume candles aren't coming in though. So we'll see what happens with it. Ladies and gentlemen, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money, and set your notifications, comment, share, like the stream. It helps the stream grow, which allows us to put out more content for you. Also, follow us on x.com 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and everything having to do with microcap stocks, right? Pre-market, regular hours and after hours, microcap and small cap stocks, whether it's technical analysis, news, or filings, or much more. We got that content. And of course, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, we're putting out content pertaining to financial news, baby. Yes, sir. Also, we're on Facebook, Instagram, Threads, and Twitch at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money. And also, we're on TikTok at DBL Nicks. At DBL Nicks. And DBL NICKS. And the screen name is Coach Nick Money Doubles. Yes. Right? Yeah. Yeah. And we also have a private Discord community that we welcome you to try out. There's a 4-day trial for $9.99. $9.99. You're actually looking at one of the scanners that are provided in the Discord. So when you do the trial, you'll get access to the entire array of everything that the Discord community provides, whether it be the multiple custom-made scanners, not the Fugazi scanners, baloney scanners that only work part of the time. No, these scanners work pre-market, regular hours, after hours, and they provide you complete news information as well as volume, float, filings, and much more. We also have a 24-hour, 7-day-a-week news feed on all the stocks in the stock market. You also have access to that. We also have an early watch list that we put out the night before for the next day, the next trading day, and it almost always has 1, 2, 3, or 4 parabolic stocks that go Parabolic the next day, and it comes out at 6:30 p.m. during after hours the day before. Okay. In addition to that, we've got the breakout scanner that's specifically designed and tailored to search for stocks that are going parabolic. So go ahead and click the link in the description or in the pinned comment and get your 4-day trial for $9.99 and let us know that you came through the show. Say, hey, I saw you on the show. Why not? Why not? Right, Doubles? Why not? Why not? Yeah. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at BDMD, see what BDMD is doing. BDMD ran a little bit, but it looks like it's double topping over here. So if I had to get the graffiti pencil, which I'm gonna, I would have to say that this is probably a top, and this is probably a top. So that would be a bearish pattern. And the good news is the price action is still above the volume weighted average, which is at about $1.14. And the 90 MA is still stacked above the volume weighted average. So that's a bullish pattern. RSI is indifferent, but that's to be expected because, again, it's 1:46 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and we still got a good solid hour and change before power hour kicks in. But this is definitely a bearish pattern. It could, if it starts to consolidate upward, it could potentially become a cup and handle, right, which would make it a bullish pattern. But right now it is bearish, a bearish pattern, and it's holding up. It is a 13 million float stock, so the float's on the heavier side, but it has gotten 41 million in volume. Not a huge amount of volume, but certainly not a small amount either. Let's take a look at ATOM. Let's get a share party going on. Let's get to the first 200, and we'll keep analyzing the stonks, baby. We'll keep analyzing the stonks. Go ahead and share it up. While y'all are sharing it up, I'll go ahead and get myself a little bit of coffee because I feel a little parched. Double, you know what I'm saying? A little parched, bro. Yummy. Yummy. That coffee is delish, bro. Delish, delish, delish. You know I always need that energy. NRG. SGN up 36%, doubles. And SGN up 36%. 36%. 80 million volume. 80 million volume. Let's get that share party going on. All right, let's go ahead and get a dubification while we're waiting for more folks to get in here. When we get to 200, we'll start reviewing a little more after this round. I blew it, bro. I pulled the wrong weapon. I had him lined up and everything ready to go, and I blew it, bro. I hit the key, and I hit the key for the slot that had my med kit instead of hitting the key to shoot. Man, I hate when I do silly stuff like that, bro. Silly stuff. Let's go. Let's get that dubification for the community. Doubles. I'm thinking about doing the tournament tonight. What do you think, bro? Yeah, there's a tournament at 6 p.m. You know, thinking about doing it. I don't know. I'm thinking out loud. You know. I don't know. I'm thinking about doing it. I did a tournament on Saturday. Right? On Saturday, I did pretty decent. 220 out of 6,000. Not bad, you know. You know, not going to the World Cup, but you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, right? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm talking about, bruh. 220 out of 6,000? Not bad, right? For a casual player, right? Why not, bro? Why not, bro? Why not, bro? You know what I'm saying? Doubles. You know what I'm talking about? All right, let's get it. 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 So what do you think? Should I play tonight, doubles? Let's get that share party. We're at 163 folks. Let's get it to 200. OLB moving back up. 194%. 194%. It has been a choppy stock, but it has moved pretty considerably, I would say. Doubles, what do you think? Doubles, what do you say? What do you think? Doubles? Look, the early bird. I was the early bird. Gets the cash, bro. Even in Fortnite. Even in Fortnite, doubles. You know what I'm saying? The early bird gets the cash, baby. You know what I'm talking about, doubles. You know what I'm saying, bruh? Bruh. All right. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get some shield in us. Why not? Well, why not? Why not? Why not? I heard some gunfire over here. I heard some gunfire over here. Right, doubles. Ooh, jetpack. Why not, bruh? Why not, bruh? Why not, bruh? Why not, bruh? All right. Let's get it. Let's get it going on, folks. Let's get it going on. Let's get to 200. We're 183. Let's get it to 200. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it done. Let's get it done, doubles. I could have swore I heard some gunfire nearby. Right? You heard it? You heard it too, right, doubles? What's going on? Why am I lagging, bruh? What's going on here? What's going on, bruh? What's going on, bruh? It's like a mist, right? It's a shield mist type of thing, right? Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Doubles. Uh-huh. Let's get it. All right, all right. All right, let's get in, bro. Let's get it done. What do you think, bro? It's about that time. It's about that time, bro. It's about that time, bro. All right, let's get this thing. Would have liked to have had some heals, but it's all right. The storm's not here, so it's all good. All right, let's get these guys. Let's get them. Let's get them. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. All right. Let's get it, doubles. All right, we're going to have a little bit of a battle royale over here, bro. I hear some gunfire. Jetpack right here. Seems like somebody already took the loot, bro. It's all right. Let's get some heals. What do you think? Let's get some heals. What do you think, bro? I don't want that. I do want this though. That's what I want, bruh. I don't want that. I don't need that. I don't need it none. I don't tell you. I don't tell you. This guy probably left, I'm guessing. Yeah, look at that, bro. He left all this goodness over here, bro. Alright, nothing here, bruh. We're gonna have to just keep moving and grooving, bruh. Maybe we'll go for this thing right here. What do you think, doubles? Should we do it? Go for the chest. Go for the chest. Why not, bruh? Get some loot first before we go. Alright, now we leave. Now we go, bruh. say we go back over here and see what's going on, because I thought I saw an enemy behind us, you know? Ooh, there's an enemy right there, bro. Oh, poor fella, bro. Did you see that poor fella, Doubles? Did you see that? Oh, poor fella. Oh, poor dude. Poor dude, I tell ya. Poor dude. We eliminated him. We eliminated the poor fella. There's some gunfire going on over here, bro. Anything outside that I can play? Yes, sir. Right there. Poor fella. Poor dude. What do you think, Doubles? Poor fella. Sadness, sadness. Not really. Not really. Not really. Hi there, how you doing? How you doing? What is a car over here, bro? Now, this guy was fighting somebody. I think there was some fighting going on over here. Because I saw him build like a Dickens, bro. Alright, let's get out of here. That's enough. We don't need to get no fancy. We don't need to get no fancy here. Right, Doubles? No, we don't need it. We don't need it. Hold on, where we want to go? Right here. Where is that? Right there? Yeah, we'll go right there. Why not, Doubles? Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah, see? Right there, you see? Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Doubles. Mm-hmm. Any enemies nearby? We're looking, and we're cooking. Let's get to share party. Let's get to 300. We're almost there. Maybe even 420 for the memes. Why not? Why not, Doubles? Why not? Let's get it. Let's get it done. OLB trying to move back up 197%. Doubles, 197%. Ooh, look, Doubles. You know what I like, bro? I'm not gonna lie, bro. Not gonna lie, bro. I mean, I may not go for it, but these cats right here, like the bot over here. Oh, there's somebody here, bro. Somebody here, bro. Oh, I'm gonna come and get you. I'm gonna come get you. There was somebody over there, bro. No. I know what they're doing. They're trying to lure me in. I'm gonna get you. Where you at? Where you at, fella? Where were you? I saw you. There he goes. I knew there was somebody nearby. You saw that, right? Hiding. Hiding like a turkey roll. Hiding like a turkey roll. Yeah, I know. Now come over here, bud. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Like that, bruh. Like that, bruh. Thank you, fellas. Appreciate the donation. I think they were bots, bro. But I'll take it anyway. I don't care, bruh. It don't matter none. It don't matter none. It don't matter none, Doubles. Ooh, yummy. Delish, bro. Oh, I'll take some of that too. Alright, now that they left me alone, now I can get my nutrition over here. Doubles, I'm gonna get my nutrition over here, bro. Watch. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do, bro. See, I'm gonna plant myself right over here. And I'm gonna give them some love, some Coach Nick love, bruh. Yummy, bro. Yummy. You know what, bro? I got the car. I'm gonna get rid of the impulse grenade launcher. You know what I'm saying, bro? You know what, dude? You know what I'm gonna do, bro? You know what I'm gonna do? I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna take this thing. I'm gonna take it, bro. Yeah? Oh my goodness gracious, bro. Oh my gracious, bro. We got ourselves some of the something over here, bro. Let's go, bro. We got mobility, bro. We got ourselves some mobility. Sometimes it makes sense to get the medallion, you know? Like if it's endgame and stuff like that, bro. Sometimes, bro. You know? Not always, bro. Not always. Oh my. Oh my gracious. Oh my. I failed. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Go, 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 go. Come on. Come on now. Come on now. Doubles. All right, let's get that share party. Let's get to 400. 420 for the memes, I say. I said 420 for the memes, bro. Oh, we lost benzina, bro. We're out of benzini, bro. We're out of the gasolina. No gasolina. Wow. Now, I'm trying to remember what the benefit of the medallion is again. I mean, I guess I could call for, like, extra troops and stuff, right? Something like that, bro. Right? What else? What else? I got more health, right? Right? Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. They're up there, bro. They're up there, bro. All right, let's go. Oh, are you kidding me, bro? Look at this, bro. Look at me, bro. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. I could have gotten a gasoline and I almost made it to the gas station. Oh, well. Oh, well. No, well. I do have a jetpack. I do, I tell you. I tell you. Oh, look at these things, bro. Look here, bro. Look here, bro. Somebody's shooting nearby, bro. I don't mind, bro. Come on, come and get me, fellas. Come and get me. I want you. I want you. Now I got center zone. Now what, bro? Now what, bro? I got me some centerness over here, bro. Get out of here, bro. Get out of here, bro. Bro, you serious, bro? You serious, bro? Come on, bro. What y'all doing over here, bro? What y'all doing over here, bro? Give me that loot. Give me that loot, bro. Where? This thing? I don't want it. I don't want it. I don't want it, I tell you. Oh my goodness gracious! Minis right there, bro. What is all this, bro? Oh no! Doubles. Oh man, I went into the storm. Alright, the medallion is not my cup of tea, bro. It's not. The juice is worth it. That's about it, bro.
The only thing that's good about it is the juice. Maybe the health, but even that.
The health is marginal, bro. It's not enough. It's not enough, bro. I think they gave you more health before, right?
I don't know.
I think so. Let's go take a look at the stocks. Let's see what's going on. Let's take a look at the stocks. Let's get a share party. Let's get the 400. OLB. Let's take a look at that. OLB. OLB. That was silly, though. That was a silly game right there. Silly game. All right. So here's the story with this company. They announced a global partner agreement with PayPal to enhance secure pay payment gateway platform. That's their story. This stock has been choppy AF, bro. You know what AF is, bro? Choppy AF. Okay? Okay. But it went up over 200%. You know what I mean? So I'm not gonna hate on it. It's an 8 million float stock, 372 million volume, and it is the leading gainer. It is the leading gainer, but very, very choppy. Very choppy. It looks like they're diluting on their way up. It looks that way. I don't know for sure, but that's what it looks like to me. You know what I'm saying? But it is channeling. Channel timing. Channeling up. Doubles. A little channel. A little bit of a channel. But I would say that the channel is a little bit tighter than that. I mean, this is where it was pre-market. But if I had to say, doubles, come on now. Stop that. Stop that. If I had to say, I would say the channel is really more like right here. You know what I mean? And what I'm concerned about, if I get the graffiti pencil activated, is the gap right here between the 9 EMA and the volume weighted average. You see that gap right there? See it? That kind of concerns me a little bit, because it's starting to get a little extended. RSI is dipping downward. It's neutral right now. Volume is dipping as well. And we still have 51 minutes before power hour. So all of these things get me a little concerned that the price action might pull down backwards. Plus, the stock, even though it's been parabolic, you know what I mean? It's been a little shangata, you know what I mean? A little shangata. Let's get a share party. Come on now. Let's get the 400. Let's get to 400. We're going to talk about stocks right now. Let's get to 400. Share it up. Share it up. Share it up, doubles. We're going to talk about PHOE, doubles. PHOE. PHOE on the scanner on light volume up 86%. 86% on light volume. PHOE up 86% on light volume. You can see it's moving. RSI is overheating. Volume candle just shut up. Shot up. Phoenix Asia. Is it a China stock? I don't know if it's a China stock. I don't know. Up 86%. They got unconfirmed earnings in 14 days. It is a 6 million float stock moving on merely 109,000 shares. So there you go. Night Rogue, what's up? How you doing? PLYX, let's check it out. PYLX. PYLX. PYLX, PYLX, I'm going to have to refresh it. We're going to have to refresh it because it got stuck a little bit. You know what I'm talking about? All right, let's try it again. What's up, Night Rogue? PLYX. Okay, let's see what's going on with this. So the stock's trading higher after the company announced it selected a contract research organization for Soteria to evaluate PLX 200 across 4 different LSDs. LSDs. So I take it is a biotech company. It popped up really aggressively this morning and then did a flusheroo and has been pretty much flatlining ever since. So, RSI neutral, volume candles neutral. It needs volume love, doubles, volume love. My dear friend Rogue, volume love, but it is up 71% right now. Adam, ATOM, let's go check it out. ATOM, ATOM, it's trending upward. I don't see any news on it. It is a heavy floated stock at 30 million and it only has 28 million in volume. It's starting to get a little bit extended from the 90 MA to the VWAPA. The VWAPA RSI is certainly in the overbought territory. It may have a little bit of room, but it's certainly getting extended. But as long as it continues to trend upward, that would be a good thing. So if it breaks the trend line, that would get me a little perturbed. I would like to see some more volume for it. Maybe a dash of volume. Bam! A dash of volume. Bam! BDMD. Let's check it out. BDMD. BDMD. Da-da. BDMD. Da-da. I feel horrible about losing that last game, bro. That was no bueno. No bueno, my brother. No bueno. No bueno, no bueno, no bueno. I shouldn't have taken the medallion, bro. I shouldn't have done it. I should have kept the impulse grenades. The impulse grenades are so good in in-game. Folks, do you like the impulse grenades in endgame? I love them. I love them, bro. You know why? Because the jetpack in endgame is not that good because you end up throwing yourself in the storm. You know what I mean? Yeah. You follow what I'm talking about? You understand? All right. Anyway, BDMD has formed this double top. I'm concerned, but right now the 90 MA is still holding above the VWAP, which is good, but I'm concerned that it could potentially try to do a flusheroo because it double topped over here, right? So I'm concerned about this, okay? But check this out, doubles. I want to put a positive spin on it. Maybe it's a descending wedge bull reversal. Maybe. But the RSI is not telling me that, and the volume candles are not telling me that. But here's the situation, doubles. There's still 47 minutes before power hour when volume comes back in, brah. Let's get to 500. We're almost at 420 for the memes. Let's get to 500. Share it up, folks. Share it up. Let's take a look at the LFS. LFS. Let's go check it out. Up 42%. LFS up 42%. It is below the volume weighted average. If I crunch it up, you could say that it's possibly doing a cup and handle bull reversal type of pattern, but I wouldn't hang my hat completely on that. Doubles, you want to know why? Doubles, I'm going to tell you why. Because it's sub VWAP. You see, it needs to break VWAP. So yeah, it formed the cup and handle, but it's sub VWAP, which indicates it doesn't have a heck of a lot of volume. Right now. It is up 42%. RSI is neutral. Volume candles are low. So we'll see what happens with you, fella. You're gonna have to prove your love to me. GVHG. VH. Hey, we got 420 for the memes. Yo, what's up? Let's share it up. Let's get to 500. 500. Let's go, baby. Let's go. All right, we're looking at the GVH. It ran parabolic pre-market, crashed, ran regular hours, crashed. Now it's below VWAP. Okay. Below VWAP, could potentially be considered a head and shoulders pattern, right? So if we get the graffiti pencil activated, you could say that this is a head, right? This is a shoulder, This is a shoulder, and it looks like it pretty much sold off already, right? So could it be that it's going to do a descending wedge bull reversal? I don't know. Could it be? I mean, another way to look at it is like this. Doubles, check this out, bro. Could it be one of these joints right here? Hold on. Could it be one of these, bro? Could it be one of these? Look, doubles, look. Could it be a pennant? I don't know. Could it? I don't know. Maybe. Right, doubles? What do you think? Could it be? Could it?
Possibly.
I don't know. Maybe. I'm going to leave it like a pennant because it already looks like it did that descending wedge. It already looks like it did that head and shoulders bare pattern, right, doubles? It already looks like it did it, So let's get rid of that negativity. But it does need to get above the volume weighted average. And if it doesn't get above the volume weighted average, I don't know. May not be for real. Right there. That's the volume weighted average right there, bruh. 141. It's got to get above that, and the 9 EMA right now is pointing downward, and it looks like RSI is starting to disintegrate. What doubles OLB you talking about?
204%.
Oh, migration. Let's go take a look at it. Let's take a look at OLB. OLB. Oh, migration. What happened? What happened?
It hit 204% pullback. Oh, wait, now it's 202.
Yeah, see, this is what I don't like about this stock. It's so freaking choppy, difficult to trade. But I guess if you're one of those folks that hold stocks and you don't mind the agita, you don't mind the agita. But I'm still very concerned about the extension between the 9 EMA and the volume weighted average. And more important than that, what really concerns me about the stock, and again, I think it might still cook doubles. You know what I mean? It might still cook. But you know what concerns me about it, bro? Can I tell you? I don't like all these top tails, bro. I'm not a top tail kind of guy. I want some bottom, baby. Bottom tail, double bottom. Bottom tail green, baby. Like my M&Ms, bro. Like my M&Ms, bro. Let's get a share party. Let's get to 500. If you're enjoying the show, share it up. Comment, like, subscribe. Make sure you're following us on YouTube at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money. We're also on X.com, a.k.a. Twitter, at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money. We're on Facebook, Instagram, Threads, and Twitch at Coach Nick Money. We're on TikTok, Tiki-Taki, or as Doubles likes to call it, the Tac at DBL Nicks, at DBL NICKS, and the screen name is Coach Nick Money. And of course, we're sharing with you right now one of our many custom scanners from our Discord community, our private Discord community. We have a special. You could try the Discord community for 4 days for $9.99. Yeah, I'm going to say the same thing that everybody else says. Oh, community's great, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, community is great. It is, right? But here's the difference between our community and other communities. Here's the difference between our community and other communities. The difference is we've invested a tremendous amount of time, effort, and money to provide tools that can help our members achieve their goals and aspirations. We have multiple scanners that have been created that are custom made for different jobs. The scanner that we're sharing with you right now is the Market Mover Top Gainer Scanner, which keeps track of all the leading gainers, right? But we also have a scanner that specifically looks for stocks that are breaking out right now. So the top gainers are more likely to run, yes, but you need to also keep your eye on stocks that are about to run right now. And that's our ticker tape scanner, which we're not showing you right now because we don't have enough room on the screen. But that scanner is constantly probing and searching for parabolic runners. So you'll have access to both of these scanners and other scanners that we have. Also, our scanners include float and volume, which is critical. It also provides you with filings. You want to know if a stock has a shelf registration and if it's going to dilute. You need to know these things. You know what I mean? You need to know these things. So the scanners provide all of that. We also have 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, news on every single stock in the stock market. And we also have search features so you can research stocks that you're interested in so you can see the latest filings and press releases. And of course, if a stock is parabolic, you're obviously going to be able to also search what's causing it to go parabolic, what are the catalysts, and so on and so forth. In addition to that, we put out an early watch list at 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time the evening before for the next day, Monday through Friday, and that early watch list almost invariably has 1, 2, 3, or 4 stocks that ultimately go parabolic the next day. All right, so those are just some of the features that we have. There's a ton of educational content in there. We pride ourselves in providing a lot of educational content because knowledge is absolute power. So go ahead and click the link in the description or in the pinned comment for the 4-day trial. All right, and let us know that you came through the show, and let us know if you enjoyed it, because I think you will absolutely. We're watching stock OLB right now, up 250%. Right, so that's the stock right now. It looks like it halted doubles, right? It did halt. Okay, so now it's even more extended, right? So we'll see what happens with it. We'll keep an eye on it. Let's get rid of this line right here so we're not getting confused. It is in this channel There's still room in the channel, but the price action is very much extended. RSI still has some room as well. There's a surge in volume, and this does have news, but the stock has been extremely choppy. So that's my concern with it. But it is the leading gainer, and it is now starting to spread its wings, so to speak, doubles, right? So that's the story. Let's get a share party. Let's get to 600 and 700, and then we'll go and take a look at some more stonks. Let's go ahead and go for another victory royale. Let's try it. This time around, I'm not grabbing the medallion doubles. I'm not doing it, bro. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. And you know what? I didn't even need the shield because I had those 3 ramen noodle things. That's 150 shield, bro. You know? Did I really need the 200? I mean, it's good. It's helpful. But did I really need it? I don't know. I don't know, bro. I don't know. I think I misplayed it, bro. What do you think, bro? Am I overanalyzing? I think I'm overanalyzing. I should just play, bro. Alex is in the house. Hey, overextended is good. I'm up 55%. Got in at 93 cents. Let's go. Sounds like you got in when Doubles was doing the morning show. Did you get in this morning? Did you get in this morning? Let's go, baby. Let's go. 93%. Let's go, baby. I know you took like what, $20 and made $25,000 out of it. If I remember correctly, that's what you said, right, Alex? You crushing it like since last year. That is quite an amazing story. Let's go, baby. Victory story. Better than a victory royale. You know what I'm saying? Let's go. Ooh. See, bro, I didn't get an MK at all. Did you notice that, bro? I didn't get no MK, bro. I didn't get myself an MK. Ooh, Master Chief, bro? Yes or no? Doubles, is that Master Chief from Halo? Who is that? Doom? Is it? They have Doom in this too? Wow, they got everything, bro. Yeah, when that skin came out, you told Fortnite shut up and take it. Did you buy it? It was in the Battle Pass, bro? I don't remember, bro. What season? Chapter 3, yeah? I don't remember. Yo, they're surfing, bro. They're doing a little surfination right ahead, bro. A little surfation. All right, let's get that victory royale. Doubles, you didn't answer me. Should I go through the tournament tonight? I'm gonna probably be exhausted though, because I'm working all day. You know, tournaments at. I mean, you know what it is, bro? It's like a 3-hour I got to dedicate 3 hours to it, you know? I don't know, bro. I mean, a lot of times I finish in under 3 hours, you know? I don't know. What do you think, Rose? What do you think? Should I or shouldn't I? I'm asking you for the opinion. Doubles. You stress. Oh! OLB resumes, baby! Oh, migration. Now it's pulling back a little bit, but it's still up quite a dickens today. It's up quite a dickens today, Doubles, I would say. I messed up my drop, bro. I wasn't paying attention. All right, now I'm paying attention. Doubles. I'm paying attention now. Doubles, All right, let's go. Let's get it, bro. Come on now. Shotgun, come on. Shotgun. Oh, there's shotgun right there, bro. Look at that. I got to shut the gun now. All right, bro. Now we need shield. Doubles, shield. Shield, bro. Impulse grenade, baby. Why not? Let's take it. Let's get it. All right, let's get this sucker right over here. All right, we get a little bit of this. Ooh, I like that right there, bro. I like that gun, bro. I like this gun. Yeah, let's do it. All right. ramen noodle, bro. Ooh, ramen noodle. Ooh. I take it. I take it. Oh, there was minis right there, bro. I blew it, bro. Did you see it? There was minis right there, bro. Oh, well. There's some shooting outside, bro. I don't see it. No, I don't see none, bro. I don't see it. Right over here, maybe. Yes, no, maybe. Nah, it's not near here. Nah, it's not near here, Doubles. Nah. Wow. Wow. Doubles. Wow. Ooh, heppa. Yummy. Doubles, yummy. Impulse grenades, bro. Impulsa, impulsa, impulsa. Oh, look, I got me some of this joint right here, too. Look, Doubles. Look at here, bro. Right there. I need me my med kits. Give me that. Alright, there we go. Let's go. Let's hit it, bro. Woo! Overshot it. Oh, look, we can go ahead and mat up a little bit, bro. Not here, though. You know what's good about this thing over here where you do everything in speed like that? Is that you get mats like crazy, bro. And you get golds, you know? I'm telling you, bro. Look at all the mats I'm getting, bro. And gold, bro. Bro. I mean, I'm gonna mat up. I don't care, bro. I got heals. I don't care. I got heals, bro. I don't matter. Don't matter none to me, bro. Right? Don't matter none. Somebody was already here. Now, the only thing is, I don't have that much ammunition. Jetpack? No. Medkit up by one. That was kind of lame. That was kind of lame, Doubles. That's kind of lame. Might as well get mats, right, bro? Right? Might as well get the mats, right? Doubles. Alright, we got metal. How about brick? We got brick? No brick, no brick, no brick. Man, they looted really well over here. Alright, alright, alright. Man, they took everything. They didn't even leave me no jetpack, bruh. Man, this wasn't even worth it, bruh. I don't know. Alright, alright, alright. Let's pop this sucker. Alright, let's go. Not very impressive, bruh. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know where you wanna go with the volcano bros. I don't know, bro. Disappointing. Doubles disappointing. I thought it was gonna be a little bit more schmixer than that. Right? I don't know. I don't know. Alright. I don't have much mobility. I didn't get my jetpack. I don't know. I don't know, Doubles. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to talk about. I don't know what to say, bro. Alright. We'll just keep moving. We'll just keep moving and grooving, Doubles. We'll just keep moving and grooving. What do you think, Dubs? Yeah, right? Just keep going. Just keep going. Let's get it. Let's get it. OLB moving back and forth a little bit, pulling back to the non-EMA. Can we get a little bit of an ABCD bull pattern for Alex? Can Alex get an ABCD bull pattern? Could he? Come on now. Give Alex a little love. Come on now. Come on now. Now look at all this gold I got and nowhere to spend it. I don't know where all the whatchamacallits are, Doubles, you know? Yeah, I don't know where they're at, bruh. I don't know where they're at, bruh. I know. I don't even have a car, bro. I don't have a whip. I don't got nothing. I don't know. I don't. Nah, bro. Oh, look, a vehicle over here, bro. A vehicle, bro. I like vehicles, bro. I do, bro. For real. Yeah, a little vehicular craziness, bro. Come on now. Let's go and land on somebody. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get it. 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 Can we get a little something, something here? Somebody over here. Right? Somebody's nearby, bro. I hear it. I hears it. Where they at? Where they at? Where you at? Oh, look, right there, bro. In the dome thing over there. Does this mean you can't shoot them? Yeah, you can't shoot them. You can't shoot them none. But I could run into them though, right? Nah, they're having too much fun. I'm gonna leave them alone, bro. I'm just gonna go mind my own beeswax, bro. You feel me, Doubles? I'm gonna mind my own. Oh, Doubles! Look, they got the bot over here, though, bro. That I'm gonna get the bot, bro. I'm gonna get myself the bot, bro. Wait, somebody already get them? Somebody already get the bot, bro? Oh, I can't get out. That thing glitched on me again? Somebody already got the bot. Oh man. No bueno, no bueno, no bueno. That was a waste of time, bro. Coach is not having a good time here, bro. Alright, let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get into zone, Doubles. Alright, what do you think? Let's get into the zone, bruh. Let's go. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that over there. Look at that. All that loveliness right there, bro. Look at all that. Look. Ooh, enemy right there, bro. What, bro? What? Somebody else is shooting at him. Somebody lasered that guy. Oh no! Bye-bye, fool! I need shield now, bro. I need me some shield, bro. Man, that was not good for me. No bueno for no bueno, no bueno. That doesn't help me. That did not work out well for me, doubles. I'm having a rough couple of games, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I should probably take that. Let me see if I can get that impulse grenade right there. I thought I had a full load, but I don't. How about now? Now I do. You know what, bro? I'm gonna get rid of this weapon and get myself some situation over here. Shield. Or not. Now I gotta get this guy. Where'd he go? Alright, you know what? I'm gonna keep moving. Nah. I want him. I want him, doubles. I want him. I want this critter. Where's he at, though? I don't know where he's at, though, bro. You know what, bro? Let's get out of here. I need shield, bro. I need shield, bro. Shield. There we go. More loot over here, bro. Come on. Half pot somewhere. Come on. Give me some. Give me some. No half pot. No, okay. Four folks still, bruh. Look at that launch pad right there, bro. Somebody just opened up something. Woo! Woo! Doubles! Double trouble! Ooh-wee! All right, here we are. Somebody's gonna try to take that height. All right, there's somebody right there. See him? And somebody shooting at him. All right, doubles. Here we go. You ready, bro? Let's get that shit party. Let's get to a damn. Somebody's coming. Right over here, bro. I don't see them, though. 2 people, bro. I'm gonna chill out, bro. Let them fight each other, bro. Let them fight each other, bro. I don't have height, though. Babafu! Alright. I need them to fight each other, bro. You know? That's what I need. I need them to fight each other. Let's get that shit party going on, y'all. Come on. Get out of here, fella. Somebody left. Doubles. I got wrecked, bro. There was nothing I could do, bro. That guy had height, and that was it. This guy's gonna win, too. Yep, he's winning. Yeah! I'd rather this guy get whacked. There you go. I'm a little salty. I'm a little salty. I'm a little salty. Salt and pepper, baby. Salt and pepper. 284%. OLB. Alex is in the motion. In the motion. In the emotion. Let's go, Alex. Let's go. 289%. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. All right, it's on the upper region of the band. It is extended. Doubles. Currently, $1.62. $1.62. We're watching OLB news that it announced a global partner agreement with PayPal to enhance secure payment gateway platform. It is the leading gainer right now. 286%. 286%. 8 million float. 405 million volume. Let's get that share party going on. Let's get to 900,000. Let's get to 1,000 doubles. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it done. Let's get it done, doubles. Let's get it done. PLYX. Nothing here to see. PHOE. Round trip, nothing here to see. BDMD, descending wedge bull reversal. Maybe needs volume. It's being outshined by OLB right now. OLB, Atom, ATOM, breaking from the uptrend, still relatively trending upward though. So I'll give it this right now. For now, you know what I mean? He's up 71%. Alex said starting to sell the position. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Aggressive. Let's get aggressive. Let's go, Alex. Let's go, Alex. OLB. The way to go, baby. OLB, the way to go, baby. LFS. 318%. We're going back to OLB. OLB. Let's go. Doubles. You know what we can do? Right there. Let's go. 81% for Alex. 81% for Alex. 318%. Money. Doubles. The sound of Parabolics. Whoop, whoop. The sound of making money. Whoop, whoop. The sound of Parabolics. Whoop, whoop. The sound of making money. Whoop, whoop. Let's go, Alex. Let's go. Money. Woo, woo. Woo! Let's go, baby. Let's go. We're going to watch it up. $1.74. $1.74. $1.74. 318%. Parabolic cha-cha-cha. OLB. RSI extended. Volume candles haven't really kicked in completely. It's got a lot of attention. RSI extended from the VWAP, the 9 EMA extended from the VWAP. But you know what? It is still moving on the news from PayPal. It's PayPal partnership. It is still moving. Yes. And it's not choppy anymore, doubles. You're starting to get some solid candles, baby. Some solid candles. Let's get a share party. Let's get over to over 1,000. We've got over 900. Let's get 1,000 right now. Let's get 1,000. Let's get it. You know, you got all these folks that are talking about, oh, the market's so bad. You don't need every stock to run. You just got to be in the stock that runs. You feel me, doubles? What do you want? 1 million stocks to run? You're not going to trade 1 million stocks. You got to do what Alex does, man. Get the right one and ride it, baby. Put a what do they call it? A saddle? Put a saddle on it. Put a ring on it and ride it, baby. Woo-hoo! Yee-haw! I don't know. It's a song, bro. I don't know. I'm trying to make stuff up here. Come on, leave me alone, doubles. You bother me. You bother me some. I'm watching OLB right now. OLB. Come on now. Let's go. It's in a halt, right, doubles? Yeah, it's in a halt right now. It's halted. It's halted, right? It's halted. I think so. Yeah, it's halted right now. Let's see. What did Alex say? What sucks is I only bought 1,000 shares, but $700 is 700. Shoo, come on now. Some people don't make that in a week, bro. Come on now. And there's always another one. Another one, doubles, right, doubles? There's always another one. Another one, doubles. All right, we're watching OLB. We're seeing if it's going to get going. Right now, it's in a halt. Let's check a different stock. Let's take a look at OTM, OM, doubles. Let me know if OLB starts moving. Atom. Let's go. Trending upward. 52%. Not as exciting as OLB. OLB. Parabolic. OLB. Parabolic. Deal with PayPal. PayPal. BDMD. Let's check it out. We are 10 minutes away from power hour. Descending wedge, bull reversal is what we're hoping for. It double topped, it sank, and now it's trying to recover. It is with the VWAP and 9 EMA structured properly. The 9 EMA is above the volume weighted average, so that's a good thing. But it needs volume love. We need to see the RSI curl, baby curl, but we still got 10 minutes for power hour. So BDMD, we're going to keep an eye on you, fella. SGN, let's take a look at it. SGN. Doubles, let me know if OLB starts to move. All right, this one's forming a kind of sort of a pennant, right? So let's go get the graffiti pencil activated. So right over here, double C, bada binga, and then bada binga, right there. So it's got a pennant. The 9 is stacked above the VWAP. RSI is neutral. It needs volume love. It has some news, right? The shares are trading higher after the company announced effectiveness of its S4 registration statement on a business combination agreement with GXAI. Well, look at that, chain, but it's with a capital AI. Look at that. That's funny. So they got like some kind of a merger deal going on, right? Bada binga. It's got a bull pennant, Let's see if it can move, baby, move. SGN, 14 million float, 104 million volume, little penny stock joint right there. Let's go to OLB, see what's going on with the leading gainer. That's the one that's got the attention to everybody right now. I think I could put an alert, right? Let me put an alert right here. Let me put an alert at 175. Add it above or equal to. Add it. There we go. We got an alert on it. We got an alert. Alert. I tell you. Alert. Whoop, whoop. Oh, I think it's resuming, bruh. It resumed, bruh. It's moving. Oh, migration. It's moving. We're watching OLB well over 300%. Well over 300% right now on news of an agreement with PayPal. Enhanced secure payment gateway platform. Let's get that share party going on. Let's get over 1,000. We're watching it to see if it goes parabolic. Attention. OLB in the house. OLB is an 8 million float stock. Already 409 million in volume. Currently $1.76. Up. It was up 326%. Pulling back now. Let's see if it holds, baby. Holds. Let's see. Did it halt down, doubles? Looks like it might have halted down, no? Maybe. I don't see it moving on the chart. I don't see it. Doubles, let's get a share party. Let's get the first 1,000. We're almost there. Let's get it. IBG. Let's take a look at IBG meanwhile. IBG. Let's look at it. All right. It needs volume. It did curl back up. It's got to hold above the volume weighted average. Volume weighted average is at $5.46. It needs to hold above the volume weighted average. No news. It looks like it just has earnings in 14 days. It is a 614,000 share stock. So the float is a micro mini float, baby. And I like them like that. I like it like that. You like it like that. I like it like that. But it only has 646,000 shares. So we'll keep an eye on you, IBG, but you got to get a little more volume. Massey. Massey's too expensive. Forget about it. How about F-Jet? Yo, I went on that F-Jet, bro. F-Jet. F that jet, bro. F that jet. F it. F that jet, bro. 34%. It is trending upward. There's an extension between the 9 EMA and the volume weighted average, but it is continuing to trend upward on relatively light volume. Only 2 million shares of volume. Let's go to OLB. Let's check it out. Oh, it's pulling back. Okay, it's pulling back, doubles. It's pulling back. All right, folks. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel at Coach Money. And also on X.com, aka Twitter, at Coach Money. Facebook, Instagram, Threads, and Twitch at Coach Money. As well as TikTok at DBLNix. At DBLNICKS. And the screen name is Coach Nick Money. And of course, if you want to join the Discord, we have a 4-day trial for $9.99. It's a private Discord channel that you would have access to, and you would gain access to all of the features in the Discord community. Not only is the community amazing, that's what everybody says, right? The Discord community is amazing. Ours is amazing. But besides that, we also provide tools available to help you achieve your goals, aspirations, and dreams. Tools that are useful, like, for example, the market mover top gainer scanner that you're currently looking at on the left-hand side of the screen. It not only includes the volume, but it also includes the float, so you actually know what the demand and the supply of the shares actually are. It gives you the ability to follow the scanner pre-market, regular hours, and after hours. A lot of scanners don't do that. And more importantly, it has hyperlinks for the particular stocks that are moving so that you can actually click and get further information about it. So rather than just looking at a title, oh, it says title, blah, 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 which is what the Fugazi cheap scanners do, right? You can actually click in, see what the press releases are, see what the filings are, see what the 50 days 50-day low, 50-day high are, and much more other research content so that you can make better decisions with your trading. We also have the breakout scanner. The breakout scanner searches for stocks that are moving right now that look like they might go parabolic. So whereas the market mover top gainer scanner shows you the stocks that are the top gainers, right, which is good because a lot of top gainer scanners, a lot of the top gainer stocks may continue to run, but there are also there's also the scanner for the breakout, and that is searching for stocks that are acting unusually that look like they might break out. So that is an early warning system that's also part of the Discord. We have 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, everything having to do with the stock market news. All the stocks are in the news feature that we have. So you have search features to check out the stocks that are moving and check out their news and filings. You have the ability to search stocks that you're interested in as well. And also 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, we provide news pertaining to what stocks in the stock market are doing as well. In addition to that, we also have the early watch list that we put out at 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday for the next day during after hours. And that early watch list almost always has 1, 2, 3, or 4 stocks that ultimately end up running parabolic the next day, right? So that's another feature. And then don't even get me started with the educational content. We are big fans, big fanatics of education. Education is power. We tell you that all the time. A lot of people sell you hype. The bottom line is trading is not easy. Day trading is not easy, okay? Education is critical. You need to educate yourself to give yourself a fighting chance. You're oftentimes competing against algorithms that are being used by large companies, so you really have to get your P's and Q's in order. We try to help you with that. Ultimately, it is your responsibility to always do your own due diligence. We can't guarantee that you're going to succeed. Anybody that tells you they can guarantee is a liar. A liar. I'm calling it out. They are liars. Okay, that's the bottom line. No one can guarantee your success. But one thing that we can guarantee you is that we're going to try our best to give you as many tools and as much assistance to help you out so you can achieve your goals and aspirations and your dreams. That's what our objective is, and that's the truth of the matter. Listen, we make these shows humorous and fun to keep you engaged and entertained because, quite frankly, going over stock after stock after stock, especially when it's a slow market like it's been, gets very boring. Okay, and we don't want to be boring. What are we going to do? Put a British accent and try to make believe that something's moving when something's not moving? Draw something that's moving that's not moving? Oh, this is doing a descending wedge, and it's no, no. We're going to show stuff that's actually legitimately moving and has a chance of doing something. And again, you shouldn't be acting based on what we're telling you on a show. Right? You should be enjoying the show and being inspired by it, get a couple of laughs from it, learn from what I'm teaching you because I'm sharing stuff that is very useful and helpful, and see if it fits your model. And then, of course, if you want to join the Discord and be a part of our community, go ahead and do it, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. So that's basically it. By the way, you know why I call y'all indelibles, right? You know why, right? Because I want you to leave your mark. I want you to achieve your goals, your aspirations, your dreams. I want you to be inspirational to other people as well. And I call y'all indelibles because I want your mark to be unerasable. I want it to be indelible, aka indelible, baby. We love you. I want to thank you so much for joining us. You guys are amazing. We had over 1,000 folks, almost 1,100 folks today. You guys are awesome. Make a lot of money. Alex, I hope you make a bundle with OLB. Folks, make a ton of money. Be greenable. Make money. Because I am Coach Nick Money with the one and only, the indelible one, PLYX in the house. Make sure you set notifications on for our YouTube channel at Coach Nick Money. Because we got the morning show, 8:20 a.m. Monday through Friday, the Michael Cap Morning Show, which is hosted by my illustrious co-host, the one and only PLYX in the house, a.k.a. the Rainmaker, baby, and he has his trusty compatriot, the huntress of all things parabolic, the one and only, the Serengeti specialist. We like to call her DBL Moms. Let's go, baby. It's not a party unless you unleash the Serengeti specialist and get all the parabolic plays. 8:20 in the morning, all the way into the open of the stock market. They're getting all the parabolic plays. None of the Fugazi BS. Oh, it might, my prediction. No. When it breaks out, that's your confirmation, baby. That's your confirmation right there. We love you. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much for being part of our community, and we'll see you soon. Ciao for now. Bye, baby.